My name is Nancy and I'm from Cape Coral. The reason we went with Jackson Pools is because we loved the clean and modern design of the resort style pool. So it only took about 3 weeks for the pool to be completed from start to finish. We thought it was going to take somewhere around 4 to 6 months. That's what our friends keep telling us, but it was so fast. My favorite feature is the sun shelf. The kids and I have a great time there. Even the adults love the sun shelf. I highly recommend Jackson Pools because they are so easy to work with. I felt like there was a personal connection with the staff. They were always available to answer questions and they anticipated our every need. We also really loved the clean and modern designs. We couldn't find that anywhere else. We decided to install a pool because we wanted to make lasting memories with our kids. We love to entertain, and so our house is always the house that is having the backyard barbecues and the pool parties, and I know that our kids are going to remember that forever. My family and I wanted to say a huge thank you to Jackson Pools, to Daniel, to the staff that helped install it, to the management team. We are really enjoying our pool, and I know we always will.